做一做呢一個先，因為咧 I me my 其實由2年班開始咧都係有啲唔穩定噶啦，咁所以我哋嗱呢個當然係再進階版啦，但係都可以好輕易咁話到俾你聽佢兩個嘅分別嘅。嗱，就算1、2年班最唔掂嘅就係咩咧？幾時加 s？ 幾時係現在式？要知道，跟住再嚟就係 I me my 呢3個字係點樣分嘅？個個都錯噶啦。OK， 咁我哋睇一睇啦。I'm not a lazy student, but I don't understand why my teachers do not like。記住，其實我 I 係主角，好簡單嘅咋，其實好簡單。主角 I 係主角 ，me 係配角。OK， 咁加個主字啦，一個係主角，一個係配角啦。咁第三，因為你未學嘅 my 你未學噶嘛，咁我就唔使講係乜嘢啦，知唔知道？係啦 ，I me 係啦。咁咧，而家係老師做主角，老師喜唔喜歡我係咪？咁所以個答案係 me， 得唔得？係啦，個答案係 me。係啦，咁跟住啦，第二題咯喎。You and I 兩個人，記住點解 you and I 唔係 you and me？ 因為 you and I 兩個都係主角，記住係啦 ，I 係主角 ，you and I 都係主角，我哋兩個主角好鍾意做呢樣嘢，我哋兩個主角，sorry，we 係啦，我哋兩個主角有呢一個嘅同樣嘅興趣 ，OK， 主角，好啦，你睇下 ，Look，the girl is in a pink dress， 跟住一定要睇後面喎，你唔可以齋睇前邊唔睇後面，睇完前邊啦，咁咧後面係的東西或者的人，你的係咪啊？咁咪 your 咯 ，Look，the girl in this pink is your sister， 或者唔係 your 咯喎，my 咯喎，點解啊？佢係我個 sister 啊 ，Does she look beautiful？ 佢係我個 sister， 佢靚唔靚女咧？係咪啊？我梗係讚我妹妹嘅啦 ，OK？My 就係的嘅意思 ，OK？ 係啦，主要係主角同埋配角嘅分別嘅啫，其實最難係呢點。This is not 乜嘢 book？ 睇後面啦，你唔可以攞㗎。如果你堅持，我就會同老師講㗎啦。所以咧。我最鍾意啲小朋友估啲字㗎，係啦，估到呢個字係堅持，係咪啊？如果你堅持，我就會同老師講㗎啦。閱讀理解係估字嘅，之後再講。咁所以咧，呢本唔係你嘅書，好多小朋友寫賣嘅，係啦就唔啱啦。你要上文下理咯 ，OK？This is not 唔係你嘅，你唔好攞 ，O 唔 OK？好，第5。食乜嘢理想啦，令自己喺屋企啦，即係咩意思啊 ？Make yourself at home， 即係代表你自己照顧自己，你當自己屋企得㗎啦。咁所以啦，你咯，明唔明白？呢個時候可以寫，見到 you 就用 you。睇上文下理，記住啦。I like that colourful sofa, but 乜嘢 is very expensive？ 個東西好 expensive， 得唔得？係啦。In the buffet dinner, there are a lot of dishes for 好多俾我哋揀喎。咁啊，記住係俾我哋，咁即係我哋被動㗎啦。被動就唔可以呢兩個，知唔知？就係咁樣分㗎啦。被動嘅意思 O 唔 OK？ 係啦，之後你可以做埋下邊啲 exercise。OK， 雖然第一題啊，係啦。咁總之記住啦，被動就唔可以用主動嘅詞語，就咁簡單啫。OK 未？媽咪帶我去街，我就叫做配角，啱唔啱？係啦，媽咪拖住我隻手，我就係配角。我可以用，唔好用我啦，用女仔她啦，就係 her， 唔好用 she。係啦，媽咪拖佢，佢就叫 her 或者叫 him， 得唔得？記住啦，配角就係 her、him、me 嗰啲字啊。 OK， 嗱呢個好簡單嘅啫，睇成句先。咦，好多重要嘅字眼喎，電話貴，好明白個意思係咪？好啦。The new phone models， the new phone models 呢個一個係名詞咯，成個都係名詞係咪啊？最新嘅 model 啊，係，所以你記住名詞 group 埋先，跟住再繼續。The new phone models are 太貴啦，咁 OK？係啦，自己試下做下邊嗰啲，要你覺得係名詞，可以一 group 嘅名詞，形容一個 Miss Chan 可能 beautiful 係咪啊？形容嘅夾埋一齊，係啦。總之你覺得係夾埋一齊夾到，夾唔到咪分開。OK， 就咁啦。呢個難好多嘅，可以唔做第二題，咁長喎，係咪啊？跟住啦，試下第三題啦，呢個簡單啲。Peter 慢跑得慢 ，OK。Ly 係之後再講嘅，講少少啦。Ly 其實係地，慢地跑，咁所以一定有動作咯。用親 Ly 嘅話咧，一定有動作，因為慢地跑，慢地跳，開心地笑，係咪？好啦，咁都好明顯，呢兩個字係用唔同顏色先。呢兩個字係黐埋嘅咯喎。OK， 試下用唔同顏色先。嘿，佢啦。咦，唔係喎，嘿，唔俾你用呢隻色，唔知點解。咁啊，總之呢兩個字係黐埋啦，你點樣擺都好，呢兩個字黐埋，呢啲咪就係個技巧咯，得唔得？係啦，咁一定係名詞先噶啦，一定係名詞先噶啦，係咪啊？咁樣向佢理解咯。OK 係咪啊 ？Peter 跟住係點樣咧？哇 Peter 好肥啊，佢需要跑得好慢啊，咁樣 OK。啲字黐埋，做唔到好多題㗎，因為咧每題都唔同㗎嘛。總之你要記住個主體就一定係名詞，跟住動詞可以 is 嘛，亦都可以真係動詞，係咯，你 verbs 係咪啊？動作 OK。好，我哋轉第二頁㗎咯噃。好嗱，呢個最好玩，我最鍾意。好多小朋友唔鍾意，但係我最鍾意咧就係 finding mistake。OK，underline the wrong one。嗱，記住 underline 唔係 circle 啊。呢啲我諗老師都提過你哋好多次啦，提完都唔記得嗰種啊。underline 呢個字啊，一定要記住啊，唔該大家。underline the wrong 好明顯係咩？形容詞啦。嗱，呢個難嘅，呢個係配合字嚟嘅，但係有啲係容易㗎。OK。The teacher asked the naughty students to get on of the classroom。嗱，首先 get on 通常係咧 the bus 係咪啊 ？Get on the bus。咁所以即係上車咯。我哋唔係上車，老師叫 naughty 嘅小朋友出去罰企。OK， 出去我哋有兩個選擇，咁你哋可以話我知啦，邊兩個選擇啦，好冇？有，頭先寫到嘅唄，而家又寫唔到啦唄。out， 係啦，有 out 係咪啊？有 out 呢個字啦，亦都係有 get out， 我哋聽過啦，或者 get off 即係落車啦。咁你估係 out 定係 off 啦？我試下可唔可以再寫先？呢個好似喎，有out，咁得意嘅，同埋 off 係咪啊？T 係寫唔到嘅，好奇怪，係啦。你估係 out 定 off？Get out， 或者 get off。OK，good， 係啦，因為佢講咗 get out of the classroom 係屬於 classroom 嘅離開，係咪啊？所以 get out of the classroom。get off 就落車㗎啦。OK， 我哋唔 get off， 我哋 get out。跟住啦， 哇！呢個難嘅，呢個難嘅，呢個係咧broke out 嘅意思咧，即係有火警，係啦，有火警 ，a fire broke out。OK。第三 ，My child has got lost. I need to ask the policeman to look。呢個簡單，我都 underline 鎖住，我都鎖住咗啦。Get out，broke out。OK， 記住 underline 啦嚇。Look for， 記住 look for 代表找尋。OK， 係啦。I need to ask the police to look for him。Look for。I want to be a doctor when I grow up。一定係長大咁會 up 啦，係咪？長大。My homemade 嘅意思係家庭姐姐啦，係咪啊？Takes care of me。OK，takes care of me and my little sister. Kenny was late for school because her mother forgot to wake her up。叫佢起身啦，中文都係啦，叫佢起身 ，OK？ 嗱，當然呢啲錯嘅咧，好多時候都係動詞嘅錯，咁自己睇清楚 he、she、it 加 s 嗰啲字眼 ，OK？ 好，咁下邊啦。Have you spoken to the teacher yet? No, I haven't spoken to the teacher yet。呢個係 PP， 係啦，記住嗱。佢用 have 問你，你仲 have 答。但係如果佢用 has 問你咯，好啦，嗱呢一個縱使未學，但係啲規矩亦都一樣嘅，明白嗎？ Has she？ 嗱呢個冇俾個名你，所以我都輸就算啦，冇辦法，唔知佢叫咩名。OK？Has she read the English storybook yet？ 照抄呢句，好嗎？ Has she read？ No, she hasn't read。其實道理一樣。OK， 啲字擺前擺後。OK， 今日轉啦。OK， taller than shorter than 嗱，呢一啲好簡單嘅啫。4年班又係學呢啲，咁啊記住啲乜嘢啊？記住 more 啊，俾下字我先，係啦。我哋講咗個資訊先，好冇 ？More 配 than 係咪 ？The most 照抄 ，OK？ 呢個記住啦，係咪？咁點分啊？短咯。老師講過係咩啊？2個音節，3個音節，3個音節就係用 more， 但係有啲特別啲嘅。譬如尾巴係 ing 嘅，記住啦，尾巴係 ing， 尾巴係 ful，OK？ 就係用 more 或者 the most 噶啦。其餘咧就係總之長嘅就用佢，好嗎？係啦，咁咧基本上係串字嘅啫。You have to be aware of the spelling，OK？That's the most important part. And beware of these two, the end of ing and ful. Okay? We use the longer one. 好，我睇睇啦。I'm shorter than Flora. She's the tallest. Okay 啦，記住啦。When you compare with the class, when you compare with the whole class, it has to be the tallest, right? 加 est 就算啦。咁有 only 一定係 shortest 啦。好啦 ，shortest 定 shorter 咧，又係 with all of us, among all of us， 一定係最噶啦。所以後邊嘅字提到你噶啦。學校冇咁深，知唔知嘛？係啦，學校提到你噶啦 ，shortest among us。有 only 一定係差啲嘅，係咪 ？She's 1 year 嗱，今次入 ER 啦，對啦，呢個真係比較啦 ，younger， 唔好忘記，唔該，好重要啊嚇。Do not forget to write them。Okay, that's the mark. You will lose. Okay, 1 year younger than me. They are my best friend. Flora often tells jokes. I think she is wow in the world 添啊，仲唔係嘴？好啦，Y 住乜嘢？正確，慢慢寫，寫到 Y 停一停，慢慢寫咯。時間快，你錯咗冇意思㗎，係咪啊？慢慢寫到 Y， 記住啦。I think she's the funniest. OK。咦，有得比喎 ，she 同埋 us 係咪啊？頂咯，所以 ing 尾巴 she's more hardworking 係咪啊？咪頂啦 ，more hardworking than us 咯。OK， 冇 hardworking 㗎嘛，係咪 ？more hardworking than us。OK 咯喎，下邊啦。咁下邊自己做㗎咯噃，譬如 beautiful 一定係 more 同 most 啦。OK。跟住咧，所以一定要睇後面咯。My cake 同 Sandy's cake， 咁好明顯係訂啦，啱唔啱啊？係啦，咁去分嘅，得唔得？慢慢做呢啲更加一定要睇多啲去做嘅。好啦，轉咯。閱讀理解呢，你就好難幫手噶啦，而家呢一刻。tenses 仲可以嘅，係啦。嗱 yesterday 啦，圈晒呢啲字俾我，你哋咪識咯，係咪 ？yesterday 咪即係 I had 咯 ，HAD，OK，I had。跟住記住過去式有啲難串啊嚇，哇 ，oats wrote，WR 係一個字 ，OK。讀音得樣 ，wrote，R-O-T-E，I wrote a funny story and gave it an interesting title。過去式啦 and gave，OK。Miss Chan like my story，she said。嗱，當時嘅情況，咁所以咧都係加 ED 噶啦。She said Emily your story is wonderful， 因為佢講緊嘢嚇。I felt 得唔得？講嘢有機會過去式，但係暫時都唔係過去式咯。跟住啦，嗱，現在式，記住先，記住 TH 加 S，SH 加 ES 得唔得？對唔簡單，因為佢講緊事實習慣。記住現在式係事實習慣，任何時間都係唔好搞亂。係啦 ，ing 係做緊，唔同嘅。係啦，唔好搞亂。每一晚都做一定係事實習慣，所以加 S 或者 ES。咁有阿鳩咯喎，過去式咯，係嘛？She ate， she jumped up and down， 係啦，過去式咯。見到 was 先啦，所以埋尾都係過去式，最後都係 OK。係啦 ，now 咯喎，咁呢個就值得 ing 啦，但係係啦，is a 唔好忘記，記住左一